So now we're in our branch wiring. So just hit branch circuits, hit new. Now you'll open up your takeoff list. You'll find your job. Normally this S and 1 won't be here. Those are just sort of mistakes that I made on creating this video, because I've had to open it more than once, and every time you open it you have to give it a different name. So 1 and S, just forget this here. Choose the sample project. Move from counts to measures. You may want to open this up a little more if you can't remember what you wrote. But we got a 1/2 inch with 3 number 12s. That's 1,829 foot. So we'll make that be 1,830. And then with 5 number 12s, I'll just arrow down a couple times. It's 515. I just make that be 520. And then we got a 3/4 with 7 number 12s, 579. I'll just make that 580. That's all of our branch. You'll notice the other one, the compressor, is a motor feeder. So all we do now is just hit save, assembly details, and that quickly we've entered all of our branch wiring.